Schneider Electric's factory in Leeds has been producing medium and low voltage equipment and package substations for 25 years, with over 550 people employed today. The 18,000 square metre factory recently underwent large investment and a dramatic transformation and is now regarded as a smart factory, which showcases the future of digital manufacturing and digital capabilities, leveraging its EcoStruxure software architecture. In addition to conventional outdoor package substations, Schneider Electric has developed an integrated, prefabricated solution for connection to 11 kV and 6.6 kV distribution networks. MDS, the Metalclad Distribution Substation. MDS features a fully type-tested design, compliant to the latest IEC standards for prefabricated substations, ensuring safety of both operator and the general public. Its compact design incorporates the high-voltage transformer and the low-voltage distribution switchgear into a single unit, ensuring ease of installation, with reduced civil costs and minimal cabling works during commissioning. The factory-assembled design means that MDS can be sited in a single lift operation. The integrated corrosion-resistant housing is top-lifted as shown, and can be efficiently sited on a pre-prepared plinth, minimizing the overall footprint requirements and eradicating the need for an additional housing or enclosure, vital where floor space is at a premium, with procurement through a single point of contact. MDS provides peace of mind whilst eliminating further project management time and cost. MDS, the complete distribution substation solution.